Next is B na tayo. So B, referring to the influence line for the shear just to the right of the support. So the maximum positive reaction is, so yung figure natin ulit, yung figure natin na ganito, it is fixed, pin, and a roller. BCA. So, paano ba natin makukuha yung shear ng influence line na ganito in terms sa support at A? Diba? So, ganito lang. Since aakyat, 1, ganyan, akyat ulit, 1. Ganito yung mukha ng shear natin. So, 1, 1. May 10 feet distance. 10 feet ulit. 15 feet. So, ano nga yung given natin? Given is 400 dead load. LB or pounds per feet. Live load na 2 kilopound heat, and a concentrated live load na merong 8 kilopound. So, yung shear natin is, para makuha natin yung reaction is V at support A max is equal to 1. Since dito muna tayo 1 times yung concentrated load natin, 8, plus 1/2 base natin is 10. 10 height 1 times 2 yung live load plus dead load, plus since dalawa yung triangle natin, yung isa 1/2 base natin dalawa 20 minus 10 height 1 plus 2 plus 0.4 na dead load is equal to, let's calculate, 1 times 8 plus 1/2 10 1 or the base or the height rather times 2 na live load, 0.4 na dead load, plus yung isa na triangle 1/2 base natin times height na 1 plus 2 plus 0.4 is equal to 32. So the reaction, the maximum positive reaction in shear just to the right of the support A is 32 kilopound. So let's proceed to C, yung last na hinahanap. So referring to the influence line for the moment at C, so the maximum negative moment is, so yung figure natin ulit, fix dito, pin, and a roller, A, B, C. So ano ba yung mukha ng influence line natin in a moment at C. So, since negative yung hinahanap natin, dito tayo sa C. Negative pababa. So, hindi siya pwedeng hindi siya pwedeng i-push ng pababa since ganito yung mukha niya. 15 bababa. Diba? Kasi yung distance natin. Aakyat sa roller since it is 15 ulit. So, ganyan ang mukha. 15 dito, negative 15. So, at moment at C. So, ganyan ang mukha. Diba? Given natin ulit, dead load na 400 pounds per feet. Live load na 2 kilo pounds per feet. And a concentrated live load na 8 kilopounds. So, the moment at C, in terms of max negative, is equal to negative 15 times yung concentrated live load, 8, plus yung triangle natin, 1/2, 35 piece times height na negative 15 is 2 plus yung isa na triangle 1/2 base natin times 15 0.4 yung isa plus 1/2 35 minus 10 since kailangan nating bawasan 15 0.4 is equal to calculate natin negative 15 times 8 plus 1/2 35 minus 10 negative 15 times 2 plus 1/2 10 minus yung base times height natin 15 times 0.4 the dead load plus 1/2 ulit 35 minus 10 base natin negative 15 na height natin times 0.4 is equal to, so the maximum negative moment at C is equal to negative 540 kilopounds. So that's it. So let's review. So review natin yung mga nakuha natin. So at the maximum positive reaction at A is equal to, ano yung nakuha natin kanina? It is 64. So 64 kilopound. So yung the maximum positive shear is equal to B natin 32. And the maximum negative moment at C is equal to, yung bago lang na solve, negative 540 kilopounds. So that's it. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Sana may natutunan kayo. Maraming salamat!